Welcome to my channel, Tech and Wheels with Pat. So today I will change my light bulbs. I just got a few new light bulbs that I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna take out the aux beam that I have originally and put a new set of what are they called? Luxtar Premium. Here we go, Luxtar Premium LED. So we'll see how they do contra the aux beam. So we'll see you soon once it's done. Bye bye. Well guys, believe me or not, it took 5 minutes. 5 minutes to change. It was so quick. Out with the old one, in with the new one. And the thing is, the aux beam I had before needed correcting on one side. But those LED, they actually made in, I think it's a Swedish company. I will put the link in the description as well. And now we're just gonna show how they look on. So I just turned the camera and I would just unlock the car so that you can see the, here we go, perfect. You have to just, the thing you have to be aware now when you install it, I just put a picture as well, you have a plus and a minus. So remember, there is two cable, one plus, one minus cable. And you can see on the color, when you take the old one out, you have a black cable, which is the minus, and a red cable, which is the plus. So just make sure that you plug it in the correct order, with plus, red, and black, minus. So that's it. So I'm quite happy. So see you in the next episode. And don't forget, if you want to see how to install those lamps, there is a video that I did previously on the matter. So now it's the second set of LED light, and what is good is that now it starts to get a lot more of those lights out. One other thing, you have to be careful as well, that when you choose the light, it has to be an HB3 9005. The 9005 is important because you have a right and a left lamp. The marks are a little bit different from the right and the left lamp. But when you take the old one out, just compare with the new one. And in the box, they were already set right, left. So it was just a plug and play. It took 5 minutes. So that's it. So thanks for watching and see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.